Feel like you've tried everything and nothing's worked? Here's one side hustle you can start today with zero audience, zero experience, and zero pressure. You could make your first $100 within 24 hours. Let's break it down. This is for the low-key side hustlers, the ones who don't want to build a brand, they just want to build momentum. Welcome to Built for the Breakthrough, where faith meets action and small steps change everything. Step 1. Sell what you already own. Grab 2 or 3 items you haven't used in the last month. Think shoes, electronics, purses, or small furniture. Take 2 clear photos in natural light and write a short, honest caption. Post them on Facebook Marketplace, OfferUp, or Poshmark. Someone in your city is already looking for what you're letting collect dust. Step 2, post in 3 places. Don't stop at one platform. Cross-post in 3 places. Use Facebook Marketplace, your personal page or groups, and one resale app like Mercari. Reposting multiplies your chances and often leads to faster results. Step 3. Follow up and respond fast. This is where people lose money. They post and disappear. Instead, respond to interest right away and offer a discount if they pick up today. Pro tip: say, first come, first served to speed up the sale. Step 4. Repeat or upsell. Once that first item sells, offer a bundle. Say, I also have this. I'll throw it in for just $5. You've now created your first stacked offer and doubled your earnings. $100 might not seem like much, but when you're stuck, it's a seed. The confidence that comes from completing one hustle opens the door to every breakthrough that follows. Want 6 more hustles you can start just like this? Grab the $7 guide below. You're built for the breakthrough. Today is your moment. Start now.